But actually, it is not the articles in my thesis that I will be talking about today, but it is instead a study that we conducted together with Ecophone, where we really wanted to combine the validity of field studies with the methodological strengths of lab studies. So they had 5 different floors, and 2 of them were identical to each other. They had the same spatial layout, they were furnished just the same, and the people working there also had the same type of tasks. So they were very comparable between these two, on these 2 floors. We have changed the environment, but does it really affect people? So what we were really looking for was that we could see these type of changes. For floor 4, that they reported less problem at T1, more problem at T2, and again less problem at T3. And for floor 5 then, that they reported more problem at T1, less problem at T2, and more problem at T3.
We did acoustical measurements according to the new ISO standard 3382-3 for the open plan, but we also double-checked it with the reverbation time according to 3382-2. Turned that into meters to make it more understandable for a wider audience as well. And as you can see, there are some, in percentage-wise, quite significant changes, even though that the decibels numbers are not that big.
But did the changes in the acoustics also affect employees' ratings and how they perceive their environment? We looked at different aspects. We looked at 3 measures of distraction. We looked at a measure of cognitive stress. That is, if you feel that if you can think clearly, if you can make decisions in a good way, and so on. And also for cognitive stress, we could find the same pattern. All this graphs or the analyses were significant. So to conclude, improved acoustical conditions lead to less cognitive stress and less disturbances. Objective acoustic measure correspond well with self-rated measures, and improved acoustics in open plan offices are beneficial for health and performance. This paper is actually now published in Journal of Environmental Psychology and is available for download.